When I dive into a project like this, I ask myself, what would Chip Foose do? And then I basically do the opposite. The block is stripped clean, so now it's time for the next step. I am stealing the 6X4 heads off of this engine since they are a smaller closed chamber. Kind of a budget mod, but it's just going to increase the compression, which means this pig needs to come apart. Pulling the automatic, pulling this whole thing out, and checking out the heads to see if I need to get new valve guides shoved in there or run them as is. So tonight's goal is at least to get the engine and trans out and drained, and if I can do that, hopefully I can get the heads torn down tomorrow night and get this thing sent off. There are three kinds of yoga: intermediate, master, and Pontiac headers. I've been at this for like an hour and a half, but it is coming out tonight before I go to sleep. So help me God. The engine is almost out. Had to pull the hood off. Do not do what you're about to see. Well, the engine's out, albeit not super safely. Do not recommend what I just did. But now it's time to split the transmission, since somebody else wants that for their Firebird, along with the pedals and some other stuff. I'm going to pull the heads and take a look, see if we need to get new valve guides pressed in those. Should bump the compression up a little over 9 to 1. And start getting this thing ready to assemble and make some serious horsepower. Thanks again for watching, everybody. If you like what you see here, hit the subscribe button down somewhere here. Hit the notification bell. You'll see the videos first thing when they come out. And comment. Let me know what you think, what you would do different, or maybe what I should have done. Thanks again.